Okay, next one is investigating strings with PHP. That means we can access strings in PHP by using some functions like string length. We all know about string length. It is used to get the length of the string. Suppose here the string is hello. How many characters it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it returns 5 as a string. Length of the string is 5. You can see here. We have to write the function name, and within this function we write the string. This is how we find string length. Similarly, next one is str. This is the function which is used to find a substring within a string. It is used to find a substring within a string. Suppose we have the string like PAB7, and here in this we have membership. This string is stored in a variable called membership, and we have to write the function as str original string and substring. The original string and substring. The original string is PAB7, and in this the part of the string is substring is AB. This is the substring and original string. This is the syntax for str. Similarly, we have string position. POS is to refers to position. It is used to find the position of a string. Suppose the string is MZ00XYZ, and here the MZ is stored in location 0, 00 in 1, XYZ in 2. These are the substrings in this string. Then if we want to get the position of any string, then we have to give the function as str position original string and substring. Here the substring position is 0. Suppose if you are giving XYZ, then the output will be 2. If you are giving 0, 0, the output will be 1. Getting? It is used to find the position of a string. Then next function is substring. SUBstr. This is used to return a part of a string based on start index and length of the portion. That means it is used to print the substring from where to where. For example, we have one string welcome which is stored in a variable test. Then if we write SUBstr substring, we are taking the part of a string like from 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 we have ME. So the output will be printed as ME. Similarly, you can write with 3 arguments like from where to where. That means test. In the test we are storing welcome, and 3 means 1, 2, 3. After 3 what we have? COME. But we want only up to 3. That means COM. So the output will be COM. This is about substring. Finding a string in a substring in a string. Got it? These are the functions in investigating strings in PHP. Then we have manipulating strings with PHP. In manipulating strings with PHP, we have functions called trim, ltrim, rtrim and strip tags. Trim. What do you mean by a trim? Suppose we have a string like hello PHP. A string like hello PHP. Trim is used to remove all the spaces in a string. Trim is used to remove all the spaces in a string. Space is removed and it is printed as hello PHP. Space is removed. Whereas ltrim is used to remove the space at the starting of the string, and rtrim is used to remove the spaces at the end of the string. Ltrim beginning of the string, rtrim end of the string, and strip tags is used to escape the strips, and no need to write any HTML or PHP code for strip tags. Got it? And next one is SUB/str replace. We can replace a particular substring with a new string in PHP by using substring replace. Here you can see in this example we have one string. MZ11XYZ is a string which is stored in the variable membership, and in this I want to replace this 11 with 12. Then we can use the function in this way: substring replace original string, and what you want to replace 12, and from where to where. Means 2 means 1 2. After 2 you can replace, and up to where 2 characters, only 1 and 2. This is replaced with 1 and 2. Then the output will be MZ12XYZ. Here 1 is replaced with 1 2. Got it? Substring replace. And next function is converting case. In this we can convert lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase by using string to upper and string to lower. And next one is wrapping text with word wrap, and NL to BR is nothing but a new line to break. Suppose in a column, in a table we have rows and columns. Suppose the data is very long. When we enter into a table, then that data can be wrapped by using wrap text. And here in PHP we use the function for that purpose, word wrap. What is that? Word wrap. The string is too lengthy and messing up, then we use word wrap in order to get the string in more than one line, in a new line. Then we have another function called new line to break. This is also directly we can give the string to come to a new line by using NL, new line to break. Next, getting? These are the two functions, word wrap and NL to BR. Got it? This is about manipulating strings in PHP.